It is said that Microsoft gives you Windows. Linux gives you the whole house. If you are on Windows, you can now install a Linux subsystem. A Linux terminal will offer you power and possibilities you never imagined. Let's see how to install a Linux subsystem on Windows 10 or 11. Open a command prompt as an administrator. Type the command WSL, install. It will install the Ubuntu Linux subsystem. This may take a few minutes. Then, please restart your computer. When restarting, you will be asked to choose a Linux user and password. To start the Linux subsystem, search for WSL. Now you can use Linux commands. We will see in the next videos what you can do with it. You can update the Linux subsystem by typing sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Type enter to confirm. Thank you for watching.